See, it may not even come down. It may come down and touch this. We got a pretty heavy gap here. I mean, it could either go up. Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. So we got a 1 hour gap. Yeah, it's gonna bounce off this range. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna. I mean, we could just continue to go up. I just don't see us being in a bullish. I mean, it's topped up here and it's been consolidating. So but it has made a higher low. Um, so I really just want to see what we do at market open. We're opening right now, so let's do this. Let's see what kind of move we get here real quick. We really didn't have a whole lot of move in that. 30 minutes in, we really don't have. Let's go down to the 5. We'll see what happens. Hold on 1 second, guys. Sup, big dog? On what? Oh, hell. What'd you get? What is it? Really? We were just talking about that with Bentley. I was trying to talk him into looking at them. I saw one online for like it was like 4 grand or something like that. Was it black or something like that? And it said FedEx on the back. Oh damn, dude. Oh yeah, that's easy. uh, she's like, y'all got matching. I love it. I love it. Yeah, shoot me a picture. I'm streaming on YouTube right now, live trading. So hit me. I'll probably be off here about hopefully in the next fucking 30 minutes if this market lets me out quick and I can make a lick. But if not, latest I'll call you. It'll be like after 11. All right, bro. Later. All right, man. Sorry. That's my old shop foreman from one of the dealerships I used to manage. Oh, I was wondering why that wasn't on. This 10 hours of lo-fi here. I think we just blew through that fucking gap. We did. We're blowing right through that shit. One hour's gone. Heavy push to the downside. Man, if we can push through this zone here, it could be very bearish today. But it's the big picture is so all over the place, though. I mean, we're still extremely. Let's do this. I think we're still extremely bullish, but that's just me personally. I mean, even this upward trend here. I mean, I think we're still in. This is just kind of all over the place. It's kind of hard to tell. That's why I'm going to use these gaps. We'll just kind of be patient. We're not going to do nothing stupid this morning. Start our week off good. Do 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 do. I'm just gonna use this time to fuck with some of my settings on the stream.
But on a 1 minute is where I will really look to enter in and really read, the specific pattern.
See, we're gonna retrace this on the 15, and I think that that's what's going to be the deciding factor. If we come down here, we retrace this level.
Sorry, just looking at something here.
This is a pretty strong level. I say we retrace this down to the top, and then it's gonna move up. Because if you look at it on like the 5, we have a gap, but we're starting to get some. I mean, straight bearish, but we bounced off this.
But frankly, there's not really anything super special about it.
We've already bounced off that in the 5.
And I don't think there's a way for me to share it.
So there's a fight here for price.
A lot of the things you think,
This little zone right here, there's a fight.
the drawing tools is just setting up, okay, what color do you want, and it's saved like as a specific template, stuff like that. kind of sell off.
Yeah, I love that volume
Question is, are we
profile
going to
because
pretty much fill this fair value gap here?
let's do 730.
Question is, does it bounce here, pop up, and continue to sell off?
Yeah, there's a fight here for
That's definitely
price.
a huge possibility.
And same up here. So you can see where you get these highs right here.
In terms of
These are
getting
our
our
price
position
points
at,
where there's going to be
kind of tricky
a
because we're
battle.
in a little bit more than the middle of the range. But I think gonna have to see how this kind of plays out here for a little bit. What's my favorite strategy? The only thing I really do is a reversal strategy. Anyone new to futures and my strategy, and if you're more interested, I have a ton of very, very clean tutorials on my YouTube channel.
I mean, we kind of missed this move, but this is pre-market
My brother Sirius
here.
has an amazing Ninja Trader tutorial. Yeah,
So
he
all
kind
of this
very
is
methodically
pre-market.
there's a playlist also on my homepage.
So I'm not entering in pre-market. I mean, this could go either way on pre-market. So,
You know, it's kind of Monday. You come in really.
but see, we're getting a little bit more volume. So
I know some.
there's a good amount of volume in both of these. I mean, all three of these candles.
Like he's kind of waiting for Monday. You know, like traders are excited for Monday.
So this could move quick.
No market. But I try not to come.
I just feel like this zone is going to be really crucial. You know, I'm actually going to, let's see here. I'm thinking this zone here. Yep. Which is that gap.
Do I ever take continuation trades? I'm kind of starting to move.
I'm really thinking this zone is extremely strong.
In the sense that they're still a reversal. Like if it has a move up and pulls
For the upside.
to a level and sets something up, to me that's kind of a continuation trade. Or it's also just like a minor support reversal.
All right. Let's go ahead and get a trade set up real quick.
How long do you recommend demo trading? I try and say you should.
See, we're gonna get down in the zone. Let's see how this reacts down here.
For like 1 to 2 months. I don't think you can demo trade for like a week because the market has these shifts, right? We'll go through, like even if we look at, like zoom out on a 15-minute chart here, over the last few weeks or months at this point.
It's a really strong move to the downside. But let's see how we react, because I would say if we break through this, I'm thinking we're going to reverse off this area, though. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Even though we retraced all this big move, but this big move was pre-market. So we had this huge move pre-market, and all we're doing is getting back to where we were pre-market. That's all that's going on here. Which doesn't mean shit. We still have no fucking idea where this market's going right now. Because we're just getting back to this consolidation zone of, like, price wants to be in this area. And I would say it's right here. But does it want to be higher? Does it want a new all-time high? I mean, this is 419 is a high. We have literally been in a non-stop uptrend since April 1st. So on the 1 minute, this is a really good wick. So you got a tiny wick here, kept it here. This is definitely wanting to push down in this other zone. There's a lot of pressure to go a little bit lower right now. But what I think we're doing is we're retracing this whole zone. You know, it's back into here. I mean, this zone right here is okay. This is a, you know, the 2900. I think we may see 2900 again. That it's a prominent number.
all
Or
that stuff.
29,000, excuse me.
Because the hard part is actually learning to consistently execute a swing. It almost looks like on a 5-minute, it's a little easier to see this. There's kind of a little head and shoulders here.
So I want to. Do a 750 risk. But see, I think we might retrace this whole candle. But I want it to touch this zone first. I really want it to touch that zone first. I want to see here. I really want to see here. Based on a linear scale, no. But see, exactly, it got in the zone. Fucked up my stop loss. Got in the zone and is trying to figure out where it wants to go. We have anything coming out this morning? Housing market index. Oops. So we still got a new. I'd like to see a retracement into this. What's the 10? We're still red. We're going green on the 15. How is that possible? Okay. We might retrace all this. So it came down here, it didn't want it. Let's see what we're gonna. I don't know. I'm just not confident about this one, man. And this is one of those moments where I'm like, I need a confirmation. I need a confirmation on this one that we're gonna. I'd like to see here before I go long. I'd like to see us get back up and take out this 15-minute gap that we just created to really make me feel better about this, because this really, in all reality, could just retrace everything that we've had. for the last couple weeks. I called it last night. I think we're going to hit here. This was a mark I made. Very possibly getting down to these lows and kind of settling the market back in. Because it's just been strong. But what goes up must come down. At least a little bit. At least a little bit. At least a little bit. But see, right here, it's just really trying to figure out. I mean, we hit a low and then we hit another high. So I think it's going to the upside based on what I'm seeing here in this. And then look at this volume. Everything's, I mean, these are really thin amounts here until we get up into here. And then there's a bunch of sellers. See, if we close above this halfway line, I'm getting in on this. We're in it, baby. I feel good about this one. Can we get a 4? I think we can see these tops here. Let's see, boys and girls. Let's see, boys and girls. This is that retracement I wanted to see. Can we push through this? Can we push through this? Come on. Come on, baby. Fuck this. Let's jam out. Oh no, I don't want a commercial. We were jamming. Come on, give it to me, baby. We're gonna go super tight with this one. I'm confident. Oh, baby, let's go. Come on, baby. If we can get a good closure on, let's look at this on the 5. Yes. That looks gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous. Loosen her up a little bit. Oh. Oh, you scared me. Don't do that. Don't do that, baby. No. 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 Come on. Come on. Good energy. None of this bullshit. We'll bring it down in the middle here, back where we were. Woo! I don't like that. I didn't like that. It made me nervous. First trade of the week. I'm trying to keep it tight. Yeah. Come on, baby. Yep. You just had to gather some steam, some momentum. All right, profit target is going to be 3.5, so we can get into that 3K mark. 3,100, 3,200, somewhere in there. Again, don't set your take profits. I don't. I'm going to let that run. I don't want to lose. If that, say you get a fucking pip that's this big out of there and your take profit, yes, control your losses, but don't minimize your gains. Like, what are we doing here? We're coming out break even. I like it. Confidence. Come on. Come on. 2R. 2R. Let's go. Give me 3. Give me 3. Come on. Keep pushing, baby. 3R. Let's go. Yo, this music's intense with this. All these other streamers are like so calm, cool, and collected, quiet, because they're nervous as fuck. They're nervous. Don't let them lie to you. That's why you gotta jam out, listen to some music, good vibes, manifest it. Manifest it. We've already, I'm not even concerned. We've got this. Look at this. There's the move. Look at this. Look at this. Come on. Take out that gap. Let's go. Mm-mm. 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 See where this close is? If we can get a green closure here, it's okay. Little retracement's not bad. I'll take a little bit to go higher. Come on, need some music here. Bring it down underneath this pit. Mm-mm-mm-mm. We're stuck in between these two 5-minute gaps. Oh, this sucks watching this though. I'll tell you, this sucks. But it's expected for it to give that up a little bit. It's expected to give some of that up. That was a strong move. We should have closed out up top. In hindsight, obviously, you know. But let's trust it. I believed in this move. I believed in this move. I still believe in this move. I like this. I like this. I like that. 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 Come on. Come on. I'll be yours and you'll be mine. All right. Give it back, baby. Come on. Come on. Nope. 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 Green. 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 Oh my god. This is painful. This is painful, guys. It does hurt. Should have taken the profits. Not a bad loss. We're alright. We're alright. It's only like 400. Which I'm upset about because this is another. Live to fight another day. This is why you only wager 1%. Or around that. Every once in a while I get a. If the move is good, we're going big. When you know, you know. I can't believe this though, man. That was a brutal. That was a risky trade right off the rip though. First one of the week. Hey, what's ES looking like? It's not sure what it wants to do either. I'm just really confused by this whole setup right now. It's 550, I believe. This could be a double bottom though. Are we gonna break below that now? I'd like to see it close above this before we get back in. But we're definitely getting back in this long. I just want to see where this 15-minute closes. Because, see, we got matching. I'd like to get in here. Let's see if we can get in this. Right about here. If we can get up to this level, I'll feel confident. We'll say right here. That 29,198. Super unhealthy. I kind of want to retrace it now, this a little bit. I really don't like that pip. Look at all that. Like, we could take all this back so fast. I'm not jumping in on that. If we break this high, I will get back in it. We're gonna have to break that before I'm in. Because we're still in this fucking range, man. We still haven't made a new high. And we made a lower low, so not much, but we made a lower low. So this could actually be a really good short position, but the market is just so fucking all over the place right now. I mean, look at this wick on this thing. Like, this could be like a really good entry for a short up here in this zone. I feel like I'm just gambling at that point, though. I really feel like I'm just gambling at that point. See? Lower high, lower low. Make up your mind. This market, it still hasn't made up its mind. Oh. Look at that fucking pip. I'd like to see us break this gap before I get in. We got about 3 minutes to closure. Like I said, if we close above this high here, but this could be another top to just go back down. Cause see, we're basically where we started on this. All right, let's move our stops out a little bit. I feel like we're still bouncing in this area here that we need a definitive sign that we want to go higher. Because I haven't seen it yet. I really think this market is still trying to figure out where it's going. Because on the higher time frames, I mean, we've just been chopping around in the same area. I really want to see us push out of this again. If we get above this, I feel like this is... I just don't think we have enough in the economy right now to get us to go higher, though. I really don't. Not much higher than what our highs have already been. Cause see, still. Trying to be patient, guys, is so tough. I just want. This is one of those moments, though, man. I'm trying to talk through my emotions so you guys understand. Like, this is one of those moments where, like, you see money moving, you see movements. You're like, if I can capture that, oh, if I can catch that short, oh. But it's like, that's not my setup. I really should have got out of that one. I believed in it, but you know, it is what it is. Hindsight. So like, I like this. I like that we're starting to push back up above this. If we can get a new high here, but we could just come up here and test this. Come up here, test that, and then bam. I really like this setup, if this can get over this, because... But I need a closure above it. I need a closure. I need like a big candle closure above it. Take out that gap, and then we'll get in this. Because see, we're coming up testing that. And this could turn into a short real quick. I don't really want to play in this range though, man. I really want to break out before I get into this. And yes, I may miss this move right here. That's going to be $2,000, but it's very possible this thing just bam. We're at that kind of window in the market right now, like 10-15. And see, Riley's watching the same thing. He's watching the same exact thing because this looks like it wants to break out, but I mean, it already broke. I mean, we got a half retracement here, but it may just want to stay in this area, man. If this doesn't close out down and we get a movement up, we're definitely... I think this is going to be a little push higher, but we made it. We didn't make a higher high. I think sellers are still in control. I really do. I think we guessed wrong last time. Like I said, it was a bit of a gamble. Oh, I need some tattoo money. I'm trying to get the rest of this sleeve covered. But here it is. See, we got the retracement to the halfway zone. I just need a confirmation on this one. And I really like this. I like this right here. If we can get a 5-minute closure above this line, I'm gonna say right there. If we can get a closure above there, I feel a little bit more confident on this one. But I really like this candlestick right here. If this one turns green. But it could be trying to make... Get some more room. I think we're just gonna be patient, chat. I know this sucks to sit here not. I want to trade too, but this market doesn't know what it wants to do yet. It really does not. And I really thought in the zone we would see. What does this look like? Let's see. Let's see our algo. So we're still in that zone. That's what it is. I kind of like this though, because this shows. I think it's very possible that this, if this works, this is a good theory to test. I mean, not theory, but a good way to test this is on a market like this where like it's been all over the place, and we got these massive candlesticks, which is weird. But I want to try this new indicator. I want to see if this actually works. If it breaks out of this buy bar and the sell bar, might have something here. That was the whole purpose of the stream today too. Was like, let's try something new. And it's a really simple. I mean, you could do this without this indicator, but this kind of gives me an idea of. We stepped off here, and that's why I got into this, because this candlestick was very. I mean, it was strong. I really thought we were going to push. We just didn't have the power. What's the fives looking like? We're just going to retrace that again. Some big old candlesticks, boy. This is a good sign though, is because we hit a bottom, made a little bit higher high. I mean, it did it here, but it like pulled it back really quick. Because you're looking, that's, I mean, that's in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 50 to, yeah, so 10 minutes. That thing pulled back. I'd just like to see it stop making newer lows to give me that indication that we want to go the opposite direction. Yeah, no market or bubbles, nothing. I think that just the market's unsure right now. We got 3 minutes till this 30-minute closure, so I think everything's pointing to short here, but definitely a sideways chop. A month ago, when I first went full time with this, or 2 months ago. All right, see, we're starting to get some orders here. That I don't want to use it as an entry, but that's typically a good sign that we're gonna see some upward momentum. Um, if we can get one here, right at the end of this 2 minutes, I'm confident getting in a long here. That kind of changed my perspective, but I want to see what we get on this 15 minutes. This next 2 minutes is gonna be crucial. Just don't know if it has enough strength. Yeah, I think we're just taking back all this. All right, let's see if we get an indicator. That zone is prominent. I almost feel like this is a good reversal zone right here. But, I mean, we marked it out. We were already expecting this. We were expecting this right here. This line and this zone, I mean, they're pretty close to each other. So we'll say I'm getting decision fatigue. That's what they call it. Definitely a good sell, possibly. Have we gotten through this though? No. So we've been here before. So it hit me with an orb cell here. So that new indicator says sell. Here. Which, I mean, if we broke this, yes. But I don't, you know, that's why you really got to use indicators as indicators. And I want to see a closure on a bigger candlestick of green before I even think about entering this. There's a lot of market order bubbles, which typically means a little uptrend, but we've been so strong in the down that this is exactly why. So yeah, well, this is... Let's see what kind of momentum. If we keep getting some momentum to the downside, I'll stay in this, but we might just pop out with our funds. Come on, keep making a move. Give me a good closure here. Bring my stop down. Alright, let's get the 3K? 3K? Actually, we need another K from here, so we need 3,600. 3,600. Get our money back. Come on. I believe in you. Alright, come on, baby. 400 more. One more push. One more push. Let's go. I ain't watching this shit. Especially on these bigger moves like this. All these market order bubbles. Oh, they make me so fucking nervous. Almost there. One more. Bam. Give me out. 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 Oh. Oh, I got scared there for a second. Oh. Did we get out? Did we do it again? Where's that zone at? See that zone? See that mark? This is that resistance I was talking about. That's why I was watching that line. What a good move, guys. What a good move. Good move. I don't even have to say it. I don't even have to say it. I'm fucking... We did it again. We did it again. One small loss, and then we hit a banger. And got out. We got the fuck out at the right time. Imagine that. Look at taking it all back. This is why I was watching these bubbles here, because I was really like, most of the time you get away with one. The chances of getting away with 2 and 3 and 4 big fucking bubbles like this, huge fucking orders, you're not, it's gonna reverse. You're gonna lose it. You're gonna lose it. It's gonna take all this back. It's gonna take every bit of this back. We may not have hit stop loss. I'm really curious to see, because we took this. Let me... And our stop was right here, I believe. And we got out here. So that was a 6R. Hold on, what was this price? 135.50. Yeah, that's it. That was 100 points. Yeah, so we did almost a 7R. It's gonna give it all back. I promise you. It's gonna give it all back. That was a heavy fucking move. But we were so patient. I was getting decision fatigue. But I knew this right here, that sign, that orb sell sign, I was like, all right, let's watch that. This indicator is what made me kind of like, okay, let's reanalyze this. So, but I didn't get in here. If you see, I waited to see what this did. And as soon as I saw this doji candle, the doji candle on the downside, and then we got this on top of it, bam, bam, I'm in. Quick move. It's actually, hey, this may have went lower. I couldn't sit through another fucking pullback after that last one. We had a $2,400 swing on the first one. We were up. We were up good, but we weren't at my target. So my target's 3. Very rarely will I pull out before 3. If it's been a rough day, sometimes I will. But see, I don't like this. This would have made me panic, and then we would have gave up. That's half. That's half of it. So we would. All right, fam. Great way to start the Monday. I will take it. Stayed on a little bit longer today than I like to. Usually, if I'm up by 11, I'm good. I feel good about it. So, look at. It's going back. It's gonna give it back. Stayed on a little longer than I wanted to today, but you know, the first one was I felt like we gambled it. I learned something on that one. I'm gonna test this indicator all week. So this market open indicator, if anybody's, I call it the New York Stock Exchange opening range breakout, and it's 1 for 1, baby. It's 1 for 1. So I'm gonna, I'll save this. If anybody's interested in it, shoot me a message, DM me, and I will send you how I made it. I have it written in a script, and it built it out for me. But yes, I mean, again, look at. We could have had 2. I should have got out of the other one. But we're gonna give all this money up. That'd have been like an $800 right here. I'm good. That shit makes me sick. That's how the first one went. What's the old saying that they had when before social media? Don't count your chickens before they hatch. This is. I will say this. If you're a confident person already, and then you start trading, you really have to watch, especially when you start getting shit right. You really got to watch it. You got to humble it. You got to stay humble. You got to trust the strategy. Don't get cocky. Don't overtrade. Like, before, when I first started doing this, I would sit here and I would knock a home run trade out like this. I wouldn't even say it's a home run. This is 6R. It's a good fucking trade. It was a really good move. But I would knock this out, and then my dumbass would sit here all day. I'd go through lunch. I'd go make some food, hop back on. Like I was fear of missing out on every fucking move. And then I was like, this is abusive. Like, I wasn't sleeping at night. I was trying to hit every market session. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to simplify this. KISS. The old, keep it simple, stupid. And not get greedy, man. You don't want to give it back. Once you get it, it's like a casino. Once you make the money, get the fuck out. Oh, it didn't pull all the way back. I had a good stop on it. I had a good position. The entry, I think, was perfect is the thing. But, ladies and gentlemen, she wants to go lower. All right, I'm calling it on stream right now. You see this, okay? I'm calling this. I'm going to show you in the big picture. Let's do this. We'll pull it up on this one. La. All right. You see this. This is the move that we have been in a steady upward trend. If we go to the daily, I mean, ladies and gentlemen, that is insane. Like, we've always been in kind of like a steady upward trend, but like, look at this. Then it got a little bit more drastic, and then it's been like, whew. We have to give some of this up. This move, I don't see this being sustainable. I really don't. So, this is my prediction, and I want to do this on stream. This is my prediction. We are gonna come down here and test this 2,700 level, or 2,800 level, or 28,000. Why do I keep saying 100? Fuck, 28,000 level. At least. I really think that we're gonna give up this to here. So I'm gonna put a line here. We're gonna put 3 of them. How about that? Hamburger. Alright, you remember this. I know we're hitting the 28,000s. 100%. I think for the next month, especially with gas prices, like, where's oil at right now? Let's see this. Huh, 102. I called it yesterday. I literally said that we were going to peak 110. Or no, that wasn't yesterday. Yeah, I think we're going to see 115, 120s. You watch. 115, 120s. There's going to be... Okay, Big Daddy. Let's see you. Let's see you. Oh, she's going to... I don't think she's got it in her. I would not have sat through all this. Hell no. It's too long. That retracement, I would have got out. I know myself. After that first loss, I would have taken some profit here. I probably would have pulled my stop down into this area originally. If I wouldn't have been planning to get out, if I didn't see these market bubbles, I would have pulled my stop down. But, hey, I said it was going to give it up. It didn't go all the way to my stop, but she's pushing again. All right, 10:50. I'm out. Y'all have a great fucking Monday. See you tomorrow morning.